Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this version of Vanguard Requires Secure Boot in Valorant. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you need to go ahead and to find your motherboard or your motherboard's model. So what you'll do is just go ahead over to your search bar right here and type down system information. Right, this one. Click on it. Now, what you'll do is just go ahead and find the baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product. Okay, remember these two. So I do have ASRock B550M Pro 4, so I'm going to go ahead and keep that in mind. Now I'm going to open up my favorite browser. I'm going to type down ASRock B550M Pro 4, enable secure boot. Okay, click on it. Now you're going to want to follow the simple steps from the manufacturer itself right here. Okay, so again, just go ahead over to the manufacturer's website. And as you can see here, for my specific motherboard, here's the steps. Okay, so once that's all followed, you can now go ahead and hit on save. And then once done, launch Valorant and you should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.